welcome to my channel, Learn and Share. The first topic is learning WordPress with basic HTML and CSS. I will start with an introduction to HTML. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of the World Wide Web. It's the foundation upon which web pages are built, and it's the first step in your journey to becoming a web developer. If you're new to HTML, you're in the right place. This simple introduction will give you a clear understanding of what HTML is and how it works.
What is HTML? HTML is a markup language used to create the structure of web pages. It consists of a set of elements or tags that define the different parts of a web page, such as headings, paragraphs, links, images, and more. These elements are enclosed in angle brackets, and come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag, to enclose the content.
Now we will see the basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML document follows a basic structure as shown here. I will explain the tags one by one. First is doctype HTML tag. This declaration tells the browser that the document is an HTML5 document. HTML tag. The root element that wraps the entire HTML content. Head tag. Contains meta information about the document such as the page title. Title tag. Sets the title of the web page, which appears in the Browsers tab. Body tag. Contains the visible content of the web page. H1 and P tags are example tags for headings and paragraphs respectively. The flowchart diagram of basic HTML tags. Next topic in basic HTML is HTML elements. HTML provides a wide range of elements to structure and format your content. Some common elements include H1, H2, H3, used for creating headings of different levels. P, paragraphs of text. A ref equals URL. URL can be links to other web pages or resources. IMG src equals image.jpg alt equals description, used for embedding images. UL and OL used for creating unordered and ordered lists. List items within lists. Div, a generic container for grouping elements. Span, a generic container for inline elements. The next topic is attributes. Many HTML elements can have attributes that provide additional information. For example, the A element has an ref attribute to specify the link's destination, and the IMG element has src for the image source. Our next topic is nesting. HTML elements can be nested inside one another. For example, you can put a paragraph element inside a div element to structure your content effectively. Let us now study how to create and view your HTML document. You can create and view HTML documents using a simple text editor, like Notepad on Windows, or specialized code editors. Save your file with the .html extension and open it in a web browser to see the render page.